Meron na namang nirelease si Workos na bagong ilaw at pinagkakaguluhan ngayon sa market. Ito ang Workos HD03, aka the monster in your pocket and elf of everyday carry. Isang clip light na sobrang versatile, pocket-friendly with a huge variety of mounting options. 680 lumen spotlight with a 180-meter beam distance, 320 lumen floodlight, 8 adjustable brightness levels, 20 plus dynamic RGB modes, all in one compact and durable package. Sobrang galing. Aviation grade aluminum alloy casing, IPX6 waterproof at 1.5 meter impact resistance. Built-in battery, rechargeable via USB-C and can last up to 36 hours on moonlight and 5.5 to 7.5 hours on low. Napaka-long lasting na yan sa kanyang category. Ang daming pwedeng applications nito dahil meron itong clip na pwede mong ikabit sa damit, straps, lanyards, bags, or kung anumang pwedeng pag-iipitan nito. Magnetic na rin ang kanyang clip kaya dagdag options when it comes to mounting or hands-free use. Check out my full review of this light in my profile. Kailangan mo to kaya ilalagay ko ang link sa legit shop kung saan mo pwedeng mabili to.